everyone, welcome to my channel, 10 Ways to Wear It. I'm Alicia, and on this channel I take one fashion item or one fashion trend and show you guys 10 different ways to wear it. Now in today's video I am bringing you another makeup and music video. This is a makeup tutorial featuring all Black Radiance products. Yes, this was a requested video. After I posted my e.l.f. tutorial, someone asked if I could do a video using all Black Radiance products, so that's what I am bringing you today. And let me tell you, I loved all these products, especially the contour palettes, you guys. This was like the highlight of the video. I used the cream and the powder contour palettes, and they are just the bomb. Like, I have never found a better working product that you can set your face with, contour your face with, and everything. And you guys will see in the video how great they work. I also use Black Radiance foundation, Black Radiance blush, mascara, primer, everything, you guys. So you're gonna get a real kick out of this video. Before we jump in, if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now, girlfriend. I bring you all types of fashion, styling videos, hair videos, beauty videos, and tutorials such as this. So hit that subscribe button for something a little different popping up on you. And now let's jump into this makeup and music featuring Black Radiance. I'm gonna go on and shut up, and we're gonna turn up the music, y'all.
I know it don't show, but I'm falling. Cigarette smoke, sick from drinking. Baby, don't think I will save you, but I'll tell you the things we can do if you give in. There is nothing to be broken. Hear this moment. Don't let me think back. Give me what I need. Just wanna forget. Don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating up for fun. Caress my bruises. Don't wanna go deep. Do it again and again, babe. No matter if we come clean. Tomorrow is soon, we'll be strangers. It's so easy and free in this dark, warm oasis. There is nothing to be broken. Hear this moment. Don't let me think back. Give me what I need. Just wanna forget. Don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating up for fun. Caress my bruises. Don't wanna go deep. we come clean. Don't let me think back, give me what I need. Just wanna forget, don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating up for fun. Caress my bruises, don't wanna go deep. Don't let me think back, give me what I need. Just wanna forget, don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating up for fun. Caress my bruises, don't wanna go deep.
Thank you all so much for watching this makeup and music video featuring a full face of Black Radiance products. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked all the techniques that I used. I really tried to show each product individually and then show the application, so I hope you guys were able to pick that up in the video. But I will list all of the items that I use as well as the colors that I use and everything in the description. So if you're interested in any of these specific items or you just want to know what they are, go ahead and check that description for all of the items. But I want to thank you again for watching. Black Radiance products are the bomb. They are Black owned, y'all. We gotta support, okay? Show that support, right? And as you can see, their products are great quality. Like, they look so good on the skin. They look good indoors, outdoors. Like, y'all, I am loving these products and I'm so happy this video was requested. I enjoyed making it. But I will see all of you guys on the next video. Love y'all. Take care. Bye, guys.